What's up, folks? My name is Trail, better known as Budget Bill, and today I am bringing to you a free money opportunity for the month of August. This opportunity allows you to receive $125 in free money. But get this, the maximum you can earn is totally unlimited. No, this is not clickbait, don't worry. But before we get started, if this is your first time to the channel, hey, welcome and glad to have you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can be a part of it. Also, be sure to smash the like button as it really helps this channel grow. And if you want an opportunity to get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,400, all you have to do is download the Webull Investing app using the link down below. Then deposit $100 into that account. The stock market has been going up every day, and yesterday we made a new all-time high. So why not get a couple of free stocks that are risk-free by simply signing up? Now, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. What's up, folks, and thanks for sticking around. So today I am going to show you how you can get free $50 just for signing up. Sofi Bank, or Sofi Money, is currently offering a sign up or welcome bonus when using someone else's referral link to sign up. They will give you $50 after you make one transfer of $500 into your Sofi account. That's making 10% on your money, by the way. Where else do they offer 10% within 10 days? After you transfer your money, it takes about 5 to 7 days for the free $50 to be deposited into your Sofi account. So once the free $50 is deposited, you can immediately withdraw or transfer your money back to your primary bank account. You do not have to keep this money with Sofi if you don't want to. And that's all you have to do. Getting $50 for free is just that simple, and you can literally do it while sitting on your couch. It only takes about 5 minutes to sign up and create your Sofi account. But hold up, I'm not done yet. If you want to go a step further and receive an additional $75 in free money, they have another promotion that they are running right now as well. This promotion is different because it requires you to set up a direct deposit into your Sofi Money account. This can be from your current employer, your Social Security check, or a benefits provider. All you need is a total of $500 to be directly deposited into your Sofi Money account to receive an extra $75 in free money. And this direct deposit is a total of $500, but you don't have to send it all at once. If you don't make as much or you can't afford to direct deposit that much at one time, you can actually break it up into smaller amounts. If you have a 9-to-5 job like myself, you can probably set up 2 separate direct deposits of $250 per paycheck to be directly deposited into your Sofi Money account. Once that minimum of $500 is met, then it only takes 5 to 7 days to receive the bonus payout of $75 in free money. Y'all know we love free money, right? Me personally, I can log in to my employer's website and change my direct deposit information whenever I decide to because it's all electronic. However, depending on how you receive your personal income, the direct deposit may be set up the same way as mine, or you may have to fill out a form and submit it to your employer. Either way, it should be fairly simple. Yep, that's it in a nutshell. You can receive $50 just for signing up and transferring $500 and another $75 after you set up a direct deposit of at least $500. And that is a total of $125 in free money that you can receive from the comfort of your couch. You don't have to leave your house or do something random activities. Just click the link down below and sign up from wherever you are. So what are the benefits of having a Sofi Money account? Well, one of the best benefits of having a Sofi Money account is that it doesn't cost you a penny to open up an account. And the second best thing that I love about Sofi is that they will literally give you free money just for sharing the app to someone else I believe could benefit from it. Last year, I received about $1,200 in free money just for sharing the app with some of my close family and friends. So those are my 2 favorite reasons for opening up a Sofi Money account. Now, some of the other benefits of having a SoFi Money account is that you get a free debit card mailed to you once you open up the account. In addition, there is no monthly fee when using that card, no monthly minimum balance requirement, and no ATM fees when using the debit card. And you also have the option to transfer money back and forth from SoFi to another bank account. And there are no fees for doing that as well. The big banks such as Chase or Bank of America charge you to send money from one account to another. In addition, the balance amount in your SoFi Money account will earn an interest of 0.25% APY. Now, I know that's not a lot, but when comparing it to the big banks, they only give you 0.05% APY. So that's 5 times more. You can also use your SoFi debit card abroad and it does not charge any foreign transaction fees. They also don't charge any overdraft fees as well. Now, one thing I found out about SoFi while creating this video is that they do not charge for wire transfers, whether they are outgoing or incoming. That's pretty amazing, as I typically have to pay $30 each time I perform a wire transfer at my big banks. And to cap it all off, your money is insured up to $1.5 million in FDIC insurance. So your money is pretty safe with SoFi. So those are all the positive things about having a SoFi Money account. But let's talk about the negatives of having a SoFi account. Well, one of the biggest issues that people have with SoFi is that they don't have a brick and mortar physical location spot, which means everything has to be performed online, which is okay for me, but for some people that enjoy walking into a bank and speaking to a bank teller, so you won't have that option with SoFi. Another negative about your SoFi account is that if you lose or get your debit card stolen, they will charge you a fee of $20 to replace that card. However, the first replacement is totally free. In addition, because this is an online bank account, they typically don't mail you out physical checks. Some of you millennials might not even know what those are. But the reason they don't genuinely mail out checks is because they aim at digital money users, which are the bulk of their customers. However, if you still prefer to have some physical checks with this account, you can call them up and request checks for free. What an amazing offer. So I would say as technology takes over the world and with the pandemic we have in 2020, things are really starting to shift where people are less likely to go to an actual bank or go to the store for basic items. People are opting more and more to do as much as possible from a smart device. So if you think this is something you could benefit from outside of the free money that you're going to receive, then I can definitely recommend a SoFi Money account for you. For me, it was a no-brainer. I didn't have anything to lose by taking advantage of their promotions last year, as it was totally risk-free. Now let's discuss the reason I stated that you can receive up to $125 in free money and it is totally risk-free. As I stated earlier, you need to transfer $500 into your money account in order to receive the welcome bonus of free $50 when you sign up. And also I mentioned the additional $75 you can receive after you make a total of $500 or more in direct deposits. The reason this is risk-free is because once you receive your free $50 and your free $75, you can then transfer your original amounts of $500 back to your checking account. You don't have to spend the money that you deposit in SoFi, and you don't have to keep it in your SoFi account for a long period of time. You just have to keep it with SoFi until they credit your free money to your account, which typically takes about 5 to 7 days. Then, once you receive your welcome bonus and the additional bonus money, you can then transfer those to your regular bank account. You can decide whether you want to continue to use this SoFi account or walk away from it totally. No penalties for doing either. However, it does offer a few perks in which you may want to keep a few dollars in your SoFi account for later usage. You could actually use it as a secret savings account away from all of your other monies. So even though you have to transfer or deposit money in your SoFi account in order to receive the free money, your money is safe with SoFi and you don't have to spend a dime of it. Just read the fine print of each offer and know how long your deposit needs to stay in your SoFi account in order to receive the free money, because you definitely don't want to withdraw your money prior to receiving the free money bonuses. Now, if you are interested, they don't show when the free $50 welcome bonus for signing up will expire, but you know how how good things don't last forever, right? So if you're interested, you want to sign up sooner rather than later. And then the direct deposit of $500 offer expires at the end of November. So you have a little time to do that one, but I wouldn't wait until the last minute, as they could remove this bonus offer at any time. There you have it, guys, how you can receive $50 plus $75 for a total of $125 in free money. And I forgot to mention how you can then refer your friends and family members to open an account as well to receive $50 for each of them signing up as well. That's where it becomes unlimited amount of free money for you. Well, not really unlimited. They do have a maximum payout for your referrals of up to $10,000. So it's a pretty nice way to rack up some free money just by signing up. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to click the like button, as it really tells YouTube to share this video with others. Also, if you aren't subscribed yet, this is a great time to click on the subscribe button to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified every time I upload new videos. Again, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.